How to fix the Facebook Marketplace not displaying error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if Facebook Marketplace is not displaying or it's showing an error. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, check your eligibility requirement. In your account, Marketplace might not appear if your account is new, which is less than a few weeks old, or if you're under 18 years old and you're in the region where Marketplace is not supported. So in that case, you will not have Marketplace in your account. But if that's not your case and still if you're not able to find the Marketplace, then make sure that the application is up to date. In order to check for the updates, open up Play Store, and in the Play Store, you have to search for Facebook and check whether if there is any available update or not. If the update is available, update the application, then you have to reopen the application and then check for Marketplace. If that still does not help you, then clear cache in data of the application. For that, navigate to the application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info here, tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, go back, reopen the application and check whether that's going to help you find your Marketplace in your account or not. If still not, then switch to a browser. You can open up Facebook in a web browser like a Chrome. So open up a Chrome in your device, search for www.facebook.com, log in into your account and check for the Marketplace option. If it's load in the browser, then that means the issue is related to the application. So in that case, you have to wait until the issue gets fixed in the application. If that still does not help you, then you have to report the problem to the Facebook. For that, open up Facebook in your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right with the three-line icon. Here scroll down and then tap on help and support and then tap on report a problem. And here tap on continue to report a problem. Now wait until the Facebook creates a report, tap on don't include, and here you have to select the options and then you can report a problem to the Facebook. Here you have to select Marketplace and then describe your issue. Once you have submitted your report to Facebook, Facebook will review your request and will get back to you in order to solve your issue. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.